That delicious milkshake may taste simple, but the moment it enters your mouth, your body jumps into action. Taste buds instantly detect sweetness while saliva begins breaking down the sugars. Within seconds, taste receptors send powerful signals to your brain. Your reward system activates, releasing feel-good chemicals that make every sip feel satisfying. After swallowing, the milkshake travels through the esophagus. Strong muscle contractions gently push the creamy liquid downward toward your stomach. Once inside the stomach, digestive juices and acids mix with the milkshake. The stomach churns continuously, turning it into a smooth, nutrient-rich mixture. Now the carbohydrates begin breaking apart into tiny glucose molecules. These sugar molecules will soon become one of your body's fastest energy sources. The fats from the milkshake enter the small intestine here. Bile and digestive enzymes break large fat droplets into smaller pieces your body can absorb. Millions of tiny finger-like structures inside your intestines absorb nutrients, glucose, fats, and proteins pass through the intestinal wall and enter the bloodstream. As glucose floods the bloodstream, blood sugar levels begin to rise. Nutrients are now racing through your body, delivering energy to hungry cells. Your pancreas notices the increase in blood sugar and releases insulin. This powerful hormone acts like a key, helping glucose enter your cells. Inside your cells, glucose is converted into usable energy. Tiny structures called mitochondria work non-stop, powering muscles, organs, and every movement you make. Meanwhile, the brain's reward center lights up. Dopamine is released, creating that enjoyable feeling that makes sweet treats so tempting. If more sugar enters than your body needs, the extra glucose is stored. Some goes into the liver, while some may eventually be stored as fat. From your mouth to your intestines and bloodstream, every organ has played a role in extracting nutrients and turning that milkshake into energy. Just one milkshake triggers a remarkable chain reaction involving your brain, stomach, pancreas, liver, and cells. Your body is truly an incredible machine.
If this video makes sense to you, like, save this video, share with your friends, and follow for more.